Welcome to Breakout EDU. This is Lucky Leprechaun's Magic Charms by Abby Almanza. The story is about Lucky the Leprechaun needing our students' help unlocking his favorite charms, and they need to help him unlock the boxes, and he will share his lucky charms with him at the end if they help him. So first you need to print out these printouts that will be located in the folder of my Google Drive. You will need the Breakout EDU box, the small box, the clasp, the reflection cards, and hint cards. You will also need the ABC lock, 3-digit lock, 4-digit lock, and the key lock. The 3-digit lock should be set to 421, the 4-digit lock set to 0317. The key should be hidden under the 4-leaf clover, and the ABC lock should be set to green. First, put the box of Lucky Charms and your We Helped Lucky Find His Magic Charms Breakout box picture in the Breakout box. Then lock that box with the clasp, the ABC lock, the 3-digit lock, and the 4-digit lock. Then you will put the green clothing items in the small box. You can either use actual clothing items or just like printouts of green pictures, but make sure that they're green because you will use that code for the color lock or the ABC lock. So in order to find to open the small box, you will need to find the key, and the key will be hidden under the 4-leaf clover that will be scattered around all the other 3-leaf shamrock clovers. So they just need to find that 4-leaf clover. Then there will be a station that will have this graph printed out. Then you will cut out the 2 leprechauns, the 1 pot of gold, and the 4 shamrocks. And you'll just disperse them like near that chart. And this will help those students learn their categorization skills. So they will need to put that number per item in each box and then use those numbers to unlock the 3-digit code. So 4 shamrocks, 2 leprechauns, and 1 pot of gold. Then they will go to the station that has this counting blocks chart, and the boxes are labeled 1, 2, 3, and 4 for those younger students. Maybe for the older students you can erase those and then they can have to put those in a different order. But this will help them do the 4-digit lock code, and there's 0 in the first one, 3 in the second, 1 in the third, and 7 in the fourth. Then they will unlock the box that has the We Help Lucky Find His Magic Charms and have the box of Lucky Charms. If your school is like allergy safe, you might not be able to do Lucky Charms. You could find some other cute little item to put in there. You don't have to use actual Lucky Charms, but make sure it's like a little reward for your students and make them want to do it. And then that's Lucky Leprechaun's Magic Charms.